Welcome to GrayYeon Whereas to solve this problem, we have this square, and inside the square is a quadrilateral with two angles at its bottom on the segment easy to be congruent. And this segment EF divides the side of the square AB at point F into two equal parts, uh, 3 and 3 on each side. And we are required to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so first thing that we can do is we can actually draw a vertical line upwards from B. And we continue the segment EF until it intersects the segment that we have drawn earlier, the first one. So, okay, so notice that this from a square, this is a 90-degree angle. And this we draw a vertical line, this is 90-degree angle. And this is these two angles at F are actually vertical angles and therefore they are congruent. Okay, and these two segments 3 and 3 are congruent as given. So by angle, side angle, congruence theorem, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, we can say that if this is x, then this should be x. And this length, this hypotenuse EF is square root of 3 square plus x square, and it will be congruent to this. So this will be the square root of 3 square plus x square. Okay, so next is we consider this is a square. So BC is equal to 6. And we consider this isosceles as a triangle. So if we make this point as G, then since this is an isosceles triangle, then GE is equal to GC, and GE is this the length of this hypotenuse EF and GF, so that is twice times the square root of 3 square plus x square is equal to x plus 6. Okay, so next is to solve this equation, solve for x, so you can square both sides. So this becomes 4 times this 3 square plus x square. The square root of that we square. So we have here 9 plus x square. And this square this binomial, this becomes x square plus 12x plus 36. So this becomes 36 plus 4x square is equal to x square plus 12x plus 36. So we can cancel this 36 both sides. And we can put this x squared to the left hand side. So this becomes 4x squared minus x squared. And this positive 12x to the left. So negative 12x equal to 0. So simplifying, we have 3x squared minus 12x is equal to 0. So divide both sides by 3 or multiply this whole equation by 1/3. So this becomes a x squared minus 4x is equal to 0. And we solve this resulting quadratic equation. Okay, so we solve this x squared minus 4x is equal to 0. So x, we factor out the x. So x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 for the first instance, and the other is x minus 4 is equal to 0, and x is equal to 4. So we are going to use only this positive 4 because there is no 0 distance. So this is invalid, the 0, 1. And this is only the valid one, x is equal to 4. Okay, so now that we have solved the value of x, so x becomes, this is 4. So since this is a square with a length of 6, so this value should be 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So this length is 2. And this length ED is 2. And this length CD is 6 since this is a square. Okay. So uh, in order to find the area of this shaded region, we are going to just get the area of the square and subtract these two portions, these two triangles and this triangle. Okay, so let's call the area of the shaded as area SH equal to the area of the square minus the area of the triangle AEF, and subtract the area again of triangle EDC. Okay, so the area of the shaded region is equal to the area of the square, and the side is 3 plus 3 square minus the area of AEF, which is 1 half times the two legs, since they are, since it is a right triangle, so 4 times 3. And subtract again the area of this triangle EDC, 1 half times the product of the length of the legs, which is 2 and 6. Okay, so this becomes equal to 6 square minus, we cancel this becomes 2. So 6 minus this, cancel this becomes 6. So area of the shaded is equal to 36 minus 6 minus 6. And that gives us area of the shaded as 24 square units for our first method. Okay, so for our second method is we are going to draw a line from this point E to the right hand side perpendicular to BC, and we take note of this angle to be N, this N, and this, the complement, let's call it as M. And since this is EDC, so it is a right triangle, so this angle should be a complement, and that is the complement N, since these two angles should be complementary. And this angle should be M, this one. Okay, so we have given this whole angle, this green angle, to be N. So this angle should be N minus M. Okay, so next is you get this angle. So this angle is uh, the complement of this N minus M. So this angle is 90. So 90 minus N minus M. And this becomes 90 minus N plus M. And we know that this 90 is M plus N. So M plus N. So minus N, we just copy this, plus M. And we can cancel this, N minus M. So this becomes a 2M. So this angle here is 2M. So 2m. Okay, so for this, as earlier, we have this length AE to be x. Okay, and this length should be DE should be 6 minus x, if that is x, because the total is 6. And for this segment, DC, since this is a square, so the total length is 6. So this becomes 6. Okay, so we have focused on getting the angle since we, on our second method is, we are going to use trigonometric identities, double angle identities for tangent. So if we focus on this triangle AFE, so tangent 2m is equal to opposite. The opposite is 3 and the adjacent is x, so 3 over x. And for the this tangent m at the triangle EDC, so this is for triangle AFE and this is for triangle EDC. So tangent m is equal to opposite over adjacent, so 6 minus x over 6. Okay, so next is we use this double angle identity for tangents. So we replace this, we have this tangent 2 theta or 2m in our case. So we have 3 over x is equal to 2 times the tangent of m. So that becomes a 6 minus x over 6 all over 1 minus tangent m squared. So we square this, so 6 minus x over 6 squared. Okay, so let us focus on this part, this squaring this 6 minus x. 6 minus x over 6 squared. So to square that, we have 6 minus x squared over 6 squared. So 36 minus 12x plus x squared over 36. Okay. Okay, so we replace this value with this. So minus this 36 minus 12x plus x squared over 36. Okay, so next is we can cancel this. So this becomes 3. Divide both sides, both numerator and the denominator by 3. So this becomes a 3. So, and for the, we just copy this. Is equal to, this becomes a 6 minus x over 3 divided by this denominator. So we get the LCD, and that is 36 divided by 1 times 1 becomes 36. Okay, so minus this, we just distribute these negatives, so negative 36 plus 12x minus x squared. Okay, and we cancel this, and we simply invert this denominator. So we just copy denominator on the right hand side and we copy this on the left hand side. So you have 3 over x is equal to 6 minus x over 3. Okay, and we invert this, then this becomes a 36 over 12x minus x squared. Okay, so from that, there we continue. So 36 divided by 3 is 12. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we are left with this to multiply this, cross multiply. So we have here 12x. This 12x minus x squared on the denominator should be put on the numerator on the left hand side. So we have 12x minus x squared equal to 4x. This 4 multiplied with this. So 4x times 6 minus x. Okay, so simplifying. So we have 12x minus x squared is equal to 24x minus 4x squared. And we put this negative 4x squared to the left. So we have 4x square minus x square, and we copy this 12x plus 12x, and we put this 24x on the right to the left. So negative 24x is equal to 0. So this becomes a 3x squared minus 12x is equal to 0. And we multiply all of the terms by 1/3. So 3x squared divided by 3 is x squared minus 12 over 3 is 4x is equal to 0. And we can factor this out. So x times x minus 4 is equal to 0. So for the first instance, x is equal to 0, and the other is x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4. So again, we are going to get only this 4 because there is no 0 distance. Okay, so since x is equal to 4, so this 6 minus x, this is 4, and this 6 minus x becomes 2. So this becomes 2, this length ED. And we are now ready to find the area of this shaded part. So we get the area of the square minus the area of AFE. We subtract the area of EDC. So area shaded is equal to 3 plus 3 square minus 1/2 times for this triangle AFE. You have 4 times 3 minus 1/2 for EDC. 2 times 6. So this becomes a 6. Square is 36. 36 minus this. This becomes 2 times 3, 6. And this becomes a 6. Okay, so 36 minus 6 is it gives us area of the shaded part is 24 squared units, and that is our answer for our second method. So thank you for watching until the end of the video. Please like the video if you liked our solution, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you will be updated for more math videos like this. Thank you. Bye.